welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your Bianca Belletta girls. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be doing hot look like red. Okay guys, welcome back. Is your baby girl. Sorry that I'm a little bit this way because of baby is here. She won't allow me to do whenever I hold my camera. Remember, baby Serena is always okay. All this video will make her to remember what she has, what she have been doing to her mommy. So without wasting much time, I'm just going to use my concealer as a primer. Don't bite me, don't bite me. Who is laughing with you? I'm not laughing with you, baby. So I will use my concealer, okay, as a primer, okay. Use it to prime your eyes. Make sure you blend it very well, okay. Okay, you can use your hand to do it, okay. In case your hands are clean, use your hand to do it, okay. With the concealer now, so I will just go with the color, okay. Look at this picture, this very picture you are seeing here, this very one. So these are the look I'm going to be recreating because this makeup was done on my Facebook, so I'm going to be doing it again, okay. Hold on. This is the palette that I'm going into. I'm going to be using this palette here, okay. Sorry for the inconveniences. By English inconveniences, okay. So I'm going to be using the first color. You need to learn not to be treating mommy bad when she's doing her makeup. So as I was saying guys, I will be using this color to lay it down. This is very nude here, so I will just take it and go and blend the place which I apply my concealer, okay. Okay, just because I've waited so long for me to apply my eyeshadow, I will be using my concealer so that the red will pop out the month, okay. Forgive me the noise, okay. Just forgive the noise, please. My manners, okay. Please forgive the noise. So I've applied the concealer now, so I'll be mixing it now. 1, 2 and 3, okay, to make it red, okay. So first of all, my brush is already stained, okay, so I'll go this way. It's good. The more I go, the more I will use concealer to pop it up, okay. And I stick with it more than the place they're supposed to go, but don't worry. For the second color here, the second red, it's not usually baby, she's the one shaking me, she's in my back now, but I needed to create this look, or else I don't have time. Today is Thursday where I normally do my makeup, so today I don't know what she's trying to say. It's not that she's hungry, but she just wants to deal with me. Yeah, you can see she's even standing now, Manji. So okay, that is it. I will now use the brown to blend the top. So I'm going to be using this brown here, this brown, to blend the top this way. This is not poppy. You can use color, any other color, like any other concealer to do it, but I think it's okay this way. Yeah, it's okay. I'm just using the brown now to make it more, you know, look as if it's a cut crease, but this is not cut crease. But I will still take a little bit of concealer again here to make it more shiny, okay. Hello guys, baby Serena just collected my cap. It has not been easy, so take the cap, okay. You need the cap right now, okay. I wish I haven't started this makeup. I could have just give up, but I've started it. Let me just finish it. I'm using my Smash Boss. Smash Boss. This is the carton here. Okay. Supposed to use something so bad that
the way. Once I was found by faith, you broke my chains of pain. You healed my heart, you gave me hope, you washed me clean, you set me up, you gave me.
Okay guys, I have powder all over. I'm half side because baby Serena won't allow me to do the makeup. You can still hear her voice outside, so I don't know what to do any longer. Like, I'm so tired, but we need to finish the makeup whether she like it or not. So I'm using this L'Oreal. This is Inflammable from L'Oreal Paris. From L'Oreal. So this is what I'm using to set everything. I've already used my setting powder, but I just need it a little bit more light. You can see the damp. So sorry for the noise. Sorry for the noise. I am going to be using high volume music. Okay? Pardon me. Pardon me. Pardon. Okay guys, I'm going to be using this setting powder. Set it now. Magari é dentro casa, eh? So I'm going to be doing my waterline now. Sorry that I have powder all over because I just pour baby powder. Maybe she's hot. She have took her bath twice today. So the next thing to do is to do my down of my waterline. So before the down of my waterline, I'm going to be contouring. Yeah. Okay. See, these are normally contour. You need to know where your cheekbone is. Whenever you know where your cheekbone is, you just go. Then blend it to your taste of your contouring. Okay. You need to have taste. Okay. You must not follow my way. Or just give a smile. And then go. Okay. I normally blend it this way, yeah. From here, so it will make my face more popping and wide because I have liquid. So for me to create that other kind of contouring is what I normally do. It was for me and it's very okay and beautiful on me. Okay. It makes it. Oh, this side is not showing that much, but believe me, it's showing because I'm half side. Okay. So my camera no ring light. This is the worst makeup ever. You know the best way to contour your nose, just open it as if flies is about to enter into your nose. This way, like I see you want to fly is about to go inside. Okay, it's because of you guys that I had to read. Okay, so I wanted you guys to know what I'm trying to explain. Okay. So you just blend it this way towards your eyebrow. It's very easy to blend. Manage the volume. This is the blush I'll be going in for. Sorry for the noise. I tell you now, this is the worst makeup ever. Just a little touch of this. I love this. I have it for years now. Imagine the thing it still look as if it's new. I love summer collection. If you want to go for makeup, just go for summer collection. Summer collection, like summer things. You know, summer things is hot, poppy. Anybody's looking at me. So the moment I love most is when I'm about to contour. So I'm using this Kiko powder to contour today. I'm using it to blend everything. Okay. Look at that girl. Look at that girl. Look at the way she's glowing. Look at the shape. Look at that. Look at it. Look at this shape. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Okay. Okay. that reason, my neighbor will know the very good day that I did makeup outside with him, because I'm loud and need music in the background, which is the intro to be that high. Okay, they go remember the day when Bianca do makeup for her side. Oh my God, yeah, you jump into. You open it wide as if flies about to enter into your nose. That is when you get it like this. My market accent. That is what I use orange, smoky, orange brown. This one I'm to smoke it. Okay? So the next orange brown. So okay, so this is the orange I will be going for, and this one is Catador. Okay, so you can get this from the Sephora. Yeah. Before mascara, but yeah, just a little bit of spray. It's a finished look of the makeup, and I believe I tried and you love it. Let me try and look for a place where I can showcase it more better. Okay. The worst makeup ever. Worst. Oh, what was that? On my side. So anything that comes my way, I need to bear it, because I was the one who looked for their trouble by coming outside. So this is the finishing. Okay, and I believe I tried so much and it's beautiful. Okay, thank you for watching. Is you game. Bye. Subscribe, help me to share out, like and comment. Okay, bye.